Hold on, let's, the light's on. Okay. Go in there and show Daddy. We gotta turn the light on.
Where's your drawer?
Right here.
Wow. What all is that?
I know.
What do you got in there?
Time.
Is that,
What's this?
that's Mari's rattle. I put that in your drawer, okay?
This is my hand. Okay? Don't eat that. This is my dog.
What's that?
And my car.
Your car? What's that in your hand?
This is my dog.
Your dinosaur? You have to look here.
The dinosaur bit me.
Yeah, did you?
Why'd he bite me?
Yeah.